Hi, let's explore the benefits and drawbacks of learning analytics. These days, a lot of education institutes, especially higher education institutions, churn out volumes of big data. So what is big data for a higher education institution? According to De Freitas and his associates, it includes information on student demographics, enrollments, university learning management systems, student performance, surveys, library usage, and external datasets. The collection, analysis, and reporting of big data to predict and understand student behavior and learning is known as learning analytics. So let's dive into the benefits of employing learning analytics for higher education institutes. The biggest advantage, well, as you can guess it, is improving retention through predictive analytics and improving enrollment as well as graduation rates among students. By learning about students' academic behavior, institutions can tailor and offer courses and curriculum, which in turn enhances student performance. Learning analytics also help education institutions better their operational efficiency. However, application and adoption of institution learning analytics is far from an easy process. It can turn out to be a costly endeavor in terms of time, money, experience, and training. Education institutions' reliance on third parties may lead to potential loss of institutional trust. Worse still, LS systems which entrench an institutional and generic approach may reproduce existing biases related to class, gender, ethnicity within learning environments. When it comes to educators, on one hand, the benefits revolve around understanding students' learning behavior and identifying those in need of intervention, which impacts course attrition. Through improved teaching and learning effectiveness, educators can reflect upon and improve their own practices. On the other hand, using and interpreting learning analytics system for the educators is a challenge, as they hardly play a role in its design and implementation. Therefore, formal training is required for them to turn data literate and competent. As LA leaves little room for individuality and innovation, instructors may also feel that it intrudes upon their autonomy and authority. Now, we look at the most critical group of stakeholders, which are the students. Research in the realm of learning analytics show a lot of potential benefits ranging from opportunities for adaptive and self-regulated learning, personalized learning environment, personalized assistance in the form of feedback which helps students make informed decisions, early intervention for at-risk students, and improvement in communication skills as well as some health benefits. Drawbacks are also aplenty, such as infringement of privacy around misuse of personal data. Students face threat to their intellectual freedom in the form of intrusive advising that LA propagates. Learning analytics fosters skewed power relationships by undermining learner autonomy and taking away their voice. Faulty diagnosis could lead to inefficiency and demotivation among learners. Not only that, LA tools such as the dashboard may lead to information overload and potential stress for students. Well, we've all been there making sense of and checking my courses for grades and progress. I will leave you with this quote from Rietz Uhler and Hearn's research paper. What do you think about the benefits and drawbacks of learning analytics? Is learning analytics a necessary evil?